Hey, what's up, Shiba coin holders? This time, unbelievable, my friends, change occur now. 145 find a 22% they starting moving upward. Exactly, this is unbelievable jump occur now, and the target which we my friends make in the tonight, my friends, yesterday, my friend, exactly they hit it easily. So congratulations, everyone. What's the prediction of coming time? Which speeds they moving upward, my friend? As you can see here this time, just in only the last 24-hour chart is on the screen in unbelievable move now. So what's the prediction, what's my opinion to sell, hold or buy? Exactly everything is this in video. Also, kindly before I get started, I request you to subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much for subscribing. Alright, so you can see here this time, my friend, the latest update first of all is very important. 146.17% they moving up just in only 24-hour, and the price is 0.0038 USD dollar, my friend. Remember, today just in only at the end of month, this is our target, my friend. 0.1 USD dollar they hit now just and only at the end of month. So kindly wait for a good time. You can see, my friends, they're completely moving upward. Here is no big fail, my friends. The resistance line they easily hit now, my friend, and if they hit the resistance line, so they are completely in the profit. So the good time is coming soon, my friends. They completely moving upward. There is no chance, my friends, today fails down, and absolutely this is viral coin, my friends, especially after Elon Musk promotion. They non-stop moving upward. So kindly hold it, don't sell it, my friends. This time you can see, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, in the last 1 hour you can see this is a short fails, but definitely, but this fails now. So minus 2.15% they fails now, you can see here. But after this fails, they also take a good jump. Yes, exactly, my friends. Every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation. To after a fails, they take a jump, and after a jump, they fails down. So this is a short circulation, my friend. I hope after this jump, after this fails, they also take a good jump. So never sell, my friends. There is no option to use sell it. Kindly hold it and wait for a good time. I hope they make you millionaire. Thanks for watching, Shiba coin holder. Kindly subscribe this channel for latest update and prediction, my friend. Our target is very high, my friend. 0.1 US dollar just at the end of month. I hope they hit it now. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.